Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you one more Indian brand because I was doing this series on my channel where I am going to just use Indian skincare products and review them and let you guys know that what I think about these products. So now without any further ado, let's get started. So the brand which I'm going to talk about is Dega. Now for the very first time I saw Dega on, I think, Pooja's channel, if I'm not wrong. She reviewed a couple of products from this particular brand, so I thought of getting my hands on this particular brand. So there wasn't many reviews of this particular brand, but I still thought that let me just go ahead and buy because I have heard very good reviews from Pooja's channel. If I am not wrong, that was the channel name. Now I have two products from them. Again, this particular brand is free from any chemical. It's cruelty free, again vegan, and all the good stuff. So yeah, let's see what all I have got. So I have got two products from them. So first one is this is the face pack. This is the Dega Herbals face pack with Mulethi and Rose. So this face pack is skin brightening, supposed to brighten your skin. This is pure handcrafted and 100% natural. Now they say that they have rose and mulethi in this particular face pack, and how you are going to use it, that you can apply a few drops of milk or toner or a tablespoon of this particular powder, and then mix it into a paste and then apply. After 15 minutes, wash it off. Now if I talk about the ingredients, so the ingredients have this has ingredients: rose grains, mulethi, oatmeal, skin cherishing essential oils. Now you are going to get the entire ingredient list on their channel, on their website. I'm going to leave the entire ingredient list in the description box, so make sure to check that because they say that they have used essential oils as well. So now let me tell you, because it has granules of rose and then it also has oatmeal, so the texture of this particular thing is very grainy, I would say. Yeah, so it has this scrubbing texture also, so you can scrub your face using this particular product because it is a little bit granule. It has granules. Now very soft, very gentle. So I used it on I think I have used it, I am still using it, and the quantity is very good quantity. You get I think 100 ml of product for 490 rupees, and it is manufactured in 2020. And this particular pack, it is cruelty free, it is patch tested, no added chemicals, made in India, recyclable, the packaging of course, and handmade. So comes with an outer packaging. I will insert a picture if I can. So all in all, if I talk about this particular face pack, it is very gentle on your skin. It does not feel very what should I say, very tacky, and also it does not feel very drying on your skin. It feels really good, as if you have applied really good things on your skin. Although I have this particular allergy from mulethi, I think, because it tends to dry out my skin and it gives me itching. So for me this particular face pack works, but I would say I would give this particular face pack 7 out of 10. Now I also reached out to them on Instagram and I asked that which products will suit me. So the owner, she said that charcoal soap and one toner she was recommending, but I did not want to get the toner because I already had so many toners. So instead I got this face pack. And the next thing which I have got is this one. This is the charcoal soap. Now I'm really happy that it comes with this own cloth bag, and this is how the soap looks like. Now I have used it a lot of times, but then the quantity of this particular product is really good. Like, you can use it. Now if you have oily skin, you will really like it. Even though in winters my skin becomes a little bit drying, still you can use this will get over your acne, or if you are having itchy skin, if you have the problem of oily skin. So this is going to take care of everything. Now I highly recommend this particular product, and I really liked it. I mean, I can use it on my body as well. If you have body acne, if you have face acne, this is going to help you a lot to take care of them. Also, it takes care of your sunburns as well, what I feel. Really loved it. I mean, this is pure handicrafted and this is natural, and it comes in a bag like this. So really highly recommend this particular product. Now I'm going to insert a try on for you guys how to use these products, so please see, and then we will come back to this. Alright, so I will recommend you the charcoal soap, and this particular face pack is good for someone who has really oily skin. And please see that it has muleti in it, oatmeal powder and rose powder. So if you are not allergic to any of them, then you can buy it, and this is a decent product, but I would recommend the soap more. That was about it. I hope you guys had fun watching this and आपको कुछ नया सीखने को मिला. And yeah, that is about it. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Help me reaching 10k soon. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care, and I love you guys a lot. Bye.